Welcome back. Now on to a CNBC-TV18 exclusive. Titan's Helios has formally launched the Swiss luxury watch brand Charriol in India. My colleague Shilpa Ranipeta spoke to the CEO of the Watches and Wearables Division at Titan, Suparna Mitra, and began by asking her how the watch caters to the luxury premium segment. Listen in.
Right now, we have limited distribution, and it should be. Like you said, it's a very high-end watch. We have more than 250 Helios stores. Right now, we are looking at we've already placed Charriol in about 9 or 10 stores. We're not planning to expand in too many stores. Yes, analog watches continue to do well. Premium is a very big growth lever. I would also say the other growth lever is fashion. And I think in brands like Fast Track and Sonata, fashion is really, making the consumer. The fact that we bring in trending fashion in our watches is bringing in a lot of excitement.
Finally, in closing, I wanted to sort of understand, we've seen a slight slowdown overall in urban discretionary demand. I think every consumer company has sort of seen that impact in the quarter that went by. How are things for the watches division, and, how do you see it performing for Titan overall over the next fiscal? I think roughly it contributes about 10% now to revenues. Where do you see that number going in the medium term?
So we grew by 19% in net sales revenue in quarter 2, which was the last quarter. We've had a really good Diwali season, so we're hopeful of doing good growth numbers in quarter 3. There are also a lot of weddings, which all of India is betting on. So we are very optimistic about keeping that kind of double-digit growth for the next few quarters. I think, yes, there are pockets where there is certainly a slowdown. I think we are also kind of lucky in the sense that we cater to upper middle and upper classes of consumers. Certainly the kind of consumers that come into a Helios, that will buy a Charriol, they're all kind of immune to that economic pressure.
And time for a short break now. Up next, we get to cues from the commodity space. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.